Please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon for the future notification to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Thank you so much for your love and
Hello
support.
friends, welcome back to Amazing Menswear. In this video I've come up to show you making of this beautiful threadwork neckline designing using the normal stitching needle. So let's quickly start with the markings of this designing. Mark the desired neckline shape and follow the instructions which I'm showing here. Firstly we'll mark the shape of the flower followed with the two leaves underneath like this. Mark the designing on the paper, then transform it on the fabric using carbon paper or any tracing paper. And on this oval shape I'll be marking 7 petals, the center with the bigger one. So 3 on this side and 3 on another side. Like this we have to mark the petals. Here I'd be elaborating step by step so that you can easily understand. You can also try this on already stitched blouses. Tracing this design on the neckline, follow the instructions which I am showing right now. And now I'd be marking the curve shape followed with the leaves. The stem work will be extended with the small flowers. Also with the curves, these designs are freehand designs, so accordingly mark and ensure that the uniqueness will be followed by marking these leaves in the same sizes and shapes. And now again I would be marking the flower shape here. So this is how the complete design will be followed on the neckline. Once completed, this is how it looks. Now this design will be traced on the fabric and it will look like this. Now I'll show you how to do the threadwork designing on this design. So here I'll be using anchor thread of pink color to fill in the leaves. So here I'm going with the padded load stitch for the filling of this leaf. It's just so simple. First stitch the line in the center and overlapping stitches has to be made without any gaps. Now that all the leaf work will be filled with these padded load stitch. Also in the center of the flower, I'd be filling with the pink color anchor thread of 12 strands, giving the French knot for the filling in this oval shape. Now I'd be using red color anchor thread. This is of 12 strands I'll be using for the filling of these petals, and here I'm going with the satin stitch. This is how all the petals has to be filled with the satin stitch. Now for the designing of these tiny flowers, I'd be going with the double French knot, leaving the center one. All the 6 has to be filled with the French knot. And here for the filling of the leaf, I'd be going with the ash color, and this is also satin stitch I'd be filling. Concentrate on the particular shape of the leaf because that will be highlighted and the final outcome will be reflected. Now that the thread work is done, I'd be using the chain ball lace for the complete designing of the stem work, followed with the leaf borders. So applying the glue accordingly on the stem, also the borders of the leaves, and this is how we have to stick the chain ball lace on these lines. Instead of chain ball lace, you can also try with the pearl lace or the stone lace, which will really gives elegant rich look. The neckline border will be highlighted with the 2-line stitch of normal chain stitch here. For that I would be going with the gold zari thread of single strand. This is how we have to give the normal chain stitch. Also besides this, you can also stick the chain ball lace, which will highlight the neckline shape. Now I'll be using designer gold rings to fill in these leftover gaps. For that I'd be applying the glue to stick. These designer rings will available in different sizes and different shapes. As per your selection, you can try it. This is how the leftover gaps has to be filled, and now it's completely dried. I'd be giving an invisible stitches on complete chain ball lace so that it will stay for long run even after the frequent washes. These thread work designs are very much trending right now and will really gives an unique look and must try patterns for any types of garment designing. I hope this design is clear to you all. Having any doubts, you can write to me in the comment section. And I hope sharing of this idea is useful to you all. If you like it, please hit the like icon to support my efforts. Also do share this video in your community circles, may be useful to others. Thank you so much for watching. Please meet you all with another interesting video. Subscribe to Amazing Women's World channel. Stay tuned to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Please do also hit